Hey there, folks! Today on Product Critique, we're diving into the world of automotive convenience with the E-HEELP electric car jack. If you're tired of wrestling with manual jacks or dealing with roadside tire changes, you're in for a treat. Let's explore why this might just be the best electric car jack on the market. First off, let's talk power. This electric car jack packs a serious punch, with the ability to lift vehicles weighing up to 5 tons. That's 11,023 pounds of lifting capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from sedans to SUVs to trucks. And speed? Forget the hassle of manual cranking. This hydraulic-driven jack can lift your vehicle to its maximum height in less than 2 minutes. That means you spend less time wrestling with a stubborn jack and more time getting back on the road. But wait, there's more. One of the standout features of the E-HEELP electric car jack is its versatility. Not only does it come with a built-in tire inflator pump, but it also offers 2 power supply options. Battery clip with a 12 volts DC power socket and a car cigarette lighter. Plus, with waterproof construction and 2 LED lights, you can use it safely and effectively in any conditions, day or night. And speaking of tire inflation, say goodbye to those roadside emergencies with the integrated tire inflator pump. Whether you're dealing with a flat tire or simply need to top up the pressure, this jack has you covered. And with a tire pressure display, you can monitor your inflation progress with ease. Now, let's talk safety. The E-HEELP electric car jack is designed with your security in mind. It features an overload protection system that automatically stops lifting when the maximum height or weight limit is reached. Plus, with cross lines on the bar head for improved friction, you can rest assured that your vehicle will stay securely in place during operation. So there you have it, folks. The E-HEELP electric car jack is a game changer when it comes to roadside assistance and vehicle maintenance. With its powerful performance, versatile features, and top-notch safety measures, it's no wonder why this jack is making waves in the automotive world. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products to make your life easier. See you next time.